Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about ChatGPT's utilization in the construction industry. ChatGPT can be used in different areas, including construction. It is an advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI, designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. ChatGPT can engage in conversation, answer questions, provide explanations, and assist with a wide range of tasks. It uses deep learning techniques to continuously improve its language understanding and generation capabilities. We would like to use ChatGPT for various tasks, but before that, let's ask it to give us more information on how it can be used in construction. The first question we ask ChatGPT is, how can construction professionals use you in the construction industry? ChatGPT provides a comprehensive answer, explaining that it can be used in estimating and cost management, project planning, designing, modeling, safety and risk management, quality control, maintenance, analysis, and much. Next, let's ask ChatGPT how to prepare a mix of mortar. For example, we will write, "How do I prepare a mortar mix of 1:4 for bricklaying?" It then provides us with the materials, the calculation method, the mixing process, and finally how to use the mortar for bricklaying. Additionally, we can ask ChatGPT to write emails. For example, let's ask it to write me a short email for my bricklayer to commence work next Monday. The generated email starts with the bricklayer's name, includes the project name, date, and details such as the start location, working hours, additional project information, and finally our contact information, including our name, position, and contact details. As you can see, ChatGPT can be used for various purposes, including construction-related tasks. Stay with us for our upcoming videos, and thank you for your attention.